we can create class in JavaScript. For example, if we want to create a class dog which has a property of weight and age and also a method bark, we can do it like this. And we can create a new dot object puppy. Then you can see if we use puppy dog bark, it will have the results pop up that bark, which means it also has the method. The puppy also has the method bark. And then now we are going to create another class, which is the parent class animal. Which only has one method, which is eat. If we want the dog inherit the animal class, we can use extend this word. Now if we try to use puppy.eat, you can see the puppy now has the eat method, and it also get the result of I am eating.